This is the Wolf Gourmet Elite Countertop Oven. Its extensive capabilities and features deliver the precision, quality, and look of a Wolf range on your countertop. 7 different modes give it the flexibility to proof, warm, roast, bake, broil, and toast breads and bagels. Accommodating most 9 by 13-inch casserole dishes, the Wolf Gourmet Elite Countertop Oven's temperature controls and 5 heating elements have been precisely calibrated for every mode to deliver the best cooking performance. The air vents and convection fans surround your food with circulating heat, ensuring even browning and cooking, while the integrated temperature probe cooks meat exactly to your desired doneness. In addition to 2 Easy Glide oven racks, you can use the included baking pan and Easy Glide broil rack together for broiling or separately for baking and cooling. The Wolf Gourmet Elite Countertop Oven's non-stick interior is illuminated by a built-in light, and the dishwasher-safe removable crumb tray makes for easy cleaning. The Wolf Gourmet Elite Countertop Oven. Precise cooking, predictably delicious results for any meal you can envision.
Cuisinart Chef's Convection Toaster Oven is in a class of its own. With 15 cooking functions and 1,875 watts of power, it earns every compact inch of space it occupies on the countertop. Choose a traditional cooking function or select unique ones like Dual Cook and Speed Convection. Dual Cook combines functions for sequenced heating, and Speed Convection gets right to work, cooking foods with no preheat. Choose from the Cuisinart family of toaster ovens and bring an amazing array of features home today.
Get ready for fast, even cooking with the BLACK+DECKER 6-slice convection countertop oven. The oven fits pizzas up to 9 inches wide and begins baking immediately. No preheating required. The all-new design of the oven interior focuses heat towards the cooking area. Infrared energy comes from the heating elements and gets redirected towards food, improving efficiency and speeding up cooking times. Plus, updated convection technology circulates warm air throughout the oven for even cooking with pizza, snacks, leftovers, and more. The large glass window lets you keep an eye on food, while the dual-position oven rack gives you added cooking flexibility, and the bake pan quickly slides food in and out of the oven. Cooking functions include bake, broil, toast, and keep warm. Achieve perfection with a dedicated toast timer that allows for precise toasting. And the 60-minute precision timer features stay-on functionality for longer tasks. New design, improved technology, fast, even cooking. The 6-slice convection countertop oven from BLACK+DECKER.
A superhero in the kitchen needs superpowers. With super convection technology, we put the power of air frying, dehydrating, and proofing dough at your fingertips. It's supersized with more space to feed the whole family. A super powered oven that never tires, always rises to the occasion, conquers the night, saves the day, never sleeps, makes the impossible look easy, and the everyday extraordinary. The Breville Smart Oven Air, the super new addition to the world's most awarded compact oven.
The new Cuisinart air fryer toaster oven provides you with a healthier, easy-to-use cooking method that produces great-tasting treats by using less fat. Air frying, which uses powerful ultra-hot air and 98% less oil than deep frying, is a healthier way to cook. Prepare your delicious fried favorites from wings and fritters to fries and shrimp, using little or no fat in the cooking process. The Cuisinart air fryer toaster oven is a premium full-size toaster oven with a built-in air fryer, which means it uses a combination of hot air, high blower velocity, and 4 upper heating elements to not only bake, toast, and broil, but also to air fry your favorite foods. Frying your favorite crispy foods with less fat, baking, broiling, and toasting. Now you can be guilt-free and enjoy the crunch without the calories with the new Cuisinart air fryer toaster oven.
The Breville Smart Oven does the thinking for you. 9 preset functions and Element IQ adjusts the heat to ensure an exact cooking process for the specific task. Let's see it in action. The Breville Smart Oven, brought to you by the food thinkers at Breville.